before we get into the video, we're going to get into the good word. The verse of the day is Isaiah 43, verses 18 and 19. All right, now let's get into the video.
They done got me in that mode, but I ain't tripping. I stand down, I stand right, just get into the digits. I get it, I beat the trap, I get it, then I flip it. Damn! If we barbecuing.
Bro, nigga, it's every type of code I can think of, bro. Like, I don't know why niggas deliberately choose to live in weather like this. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't got nobody to talk to. Shit, I'm sitting talking to y'all. Let me show y'all the temperature, bro, so y'all don't think I'm just bitching. God, what, bro? Cold as ice. I don't know how people do this. People love this weather. Negro, please. What color y'all want? I knew you was gonna pick that color. That's what color I wanted. Uh-oh. Shit and everything.
The only thing about sliding here is them rocks go crazy.
I know,
like,
them bitches hitting the fuck out of me.
Them shits hurt like fuck.
My shit ghetto, I ain't gonna lie, but that bit work.
Why you gotta hold it right there though? I feel like you out here, you could just hold that bit. Like, you don't gotta do all that when you're right here.
It's cold as fuck. I don't want to put my hands in my pocket.
Bruh, I mean, you gonna see, but like, everybody's vlogging out here. Like, everybody understand that bit, so it ain't really like, nobody gives a fuck.
He did that bit. What the fuck? He hard. Pause.
All these what? All these see a dent right there, nigga.
Yeah, I don't even give a fuck, bro. Fuck it, bro.
Shit?
Oh, he talk about the rocks off that shit, spinning this shit. It's cold as a bit.
Shit like you got on your head.
Bro, I just put that bit on. Man, this shit bootleg as fuck. Hell yeah. That been running.
Oh shit!
I hear that bit whining.
After this place, where we going? I don't know. It might be a warehouse or somebody. I'm definitely coming. When they come, you gotta come. Okay?
Where am I going?
You just gotta find something to where I can text you in time. Cause me personally, I'm gonna just probably following them until I know where to go type shit.
Who is bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Talia is a fucking asshole, bro. That's how we starting the video off. Fuck it. Hell yeah, this nigga got me and Bama playing fucking chase rabbits and shit, bro. Oh my god. I like knowing where the fuck I'm going. Cat. Oh yeah. I can't wait till my car sounds something like that. Oh, I spin my shit, but it's manual, bro. I be so nervous. I be forgetting to put that bitch in neutral. Bro, this nigga crazy as fuck, bro. I'm gonna get behind that car. What? Oh, look at that shit. Nah, that bitch done. Y'all see this bitch? Look at that bitch. Off the back of that mug. Oh, hell no.
We know you know how to spin that on that.
Man, these rock chips is crazy.
When I get that bit wrapped, it's gonna be covered.
Oh, tight shit.
Man, I don't know how y'all niggas got y'all hands out right now, bro.
It's not that cold. Come on, bro.
I'm sorry.
Devin.
I forgot. Y'all niggas from here. Y'all niggas
we're
used to
from
this
Florida,
cold ass. They really finna try to tandem in this? Hey man, fuck it.
That's so crazy. I don't got time for the rest.
You don't got no faith? Just cause your eye can't do it, that don't mean they can't.
Though, like, it's just like, you gotta know what you're doing for real.
And that nigga standing right in the middle. I got me a Miro, but them scouts is harder than a bitch.
I know, that's why I be saying, man.
I should have definitely, instead of getting this, I should have got me a scout. But I'm too scared somebody go steal my shit, bro.
You got a garage?
I do, but I don't park in that bitch. I can't. It's too many niggas.
You'll park in that bitch.
I can't. There's too many niggas in my house. They already got like dibs on that bitch.
They can't like be considerate. Like, damn, like, I got a scout. Like,
They wasn't considerate of either one of my mirrors. Big ass Tonka truck. What the fuck? That bitch fell out the window.
he's swinging that bit on no shade. It's snapping.
He,
Got the tailgate over here.
Yeah, tailgate open. You got two S's?
hell yeah.
That's a manual, so that's why I can't drive it. I drive a manual.
That shit ass. Don't do it.
You not driving a manual?
Alright, come on.
2020?
This on the sides, it got like a little
Nigga giving them a tour of my goddamn car. Man, it's colder than a motherfucker out here, bro. I do not know why niggas live in the cold, bro. I'm gonna keep saying that, bitch, until I warm up. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but fuck it. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but fuck it. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Yes, sir.
That bitch got a Progo on, goddamn.
A Progo? Hell nah.
You too?
A little piece, a little piece. I ain't nobody special, though.
Damn, man, I ain't never seen no shit like that.
Y'all just got it, bro. I don't know how y'all niggas got y'all hands out. It's colder than a bitch out here.
Oh, the Birmingham, man, we used to this type shit.
Nah, bro, I'm from Orlando, bro. I cannot do this cold, bro. Fuck this shit.
You can't fuck with it, bitch.
Hell nah.
Orlando. Nigga.
Man, it only get cold like this for like 2 days. That's
It
it.
hot as fuck. You from Florida, ain't you?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it hot as fuck down there and shit. But we ain't too much up far north though.
Nah, man. It snow here, don't it?
Birmingham nigga, Birmingham, Alabama nigga, bro. It's like it be cold one day, hot
Yep.
the next. But sometimes it be cold in the morning, hot as fuck during the middle of the day.
See down there where they at, it don't get cold at night.
It only get cold late at night.
My mama.
All we worried about is rain, bro.
When the seasons,
fuck with Orlando,
when the
bitch,
seasons
oh,
as the seasons change, bitch. Say like it coming from like August to like October.
Yo.
It back and forth, cold, hot. You just gotta be dressed for it. Hey. Oh shit.
That nigga crazy. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bruh, I ain't gonna lie, manual's ass. Shit is ass for this very reason. Nah, this is crazy. We outside, we outside, we outside. driving a bit crazy as a bitch. Fuck, bro, it's cold as fuck. Oh shit! I missed the fuck out of my exit. Bro, I'm driving like I know where the fuck I'm at, boy. I probably should have went down that bit. Alright, this colder than a bit. Let me pull over, bro. Man, why I don't got the heat on? What I'm doing? Oh man! Oh what the fuck? Who that is? Who that is? Oh, that ain't the police. Alright, for sure. Oh shit! I hear them police. Oh, it's a cop. Hell yeah, stalled in front of the cop. Make it look like I'm a rookie. You're not about to get me. Follow me, bitch. I'm about to go to the crib. Looks like I can find somewhere to park up. I'm finna come chill in this bitch. Them boys is tripping. Am I getting content? What? I done went to jail 3 times almost tonight. Oh shit.
Oh, did some. Did some a little bit, but wait till I get that beat real right.
Yo.
Oh, did some.
Alright, nah. Your turn.
It's your turn now. It's your turn.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Bro, stop being like that.
Bro, come on, bro. I'm gonna see.
Why you didn't get like
No, bro, not like
a goddamn Kia Optima or some shit? A Honda Civic. Some shit that don't go in a circle.
Hey, if I go again, you gonna go?
Oh, he back out there.
He better take that hoe into the warehouse.
Fast, you did say you had to hit the tire shot anyway, bro. Go ahead.
Bruh, that shit bought that there?
I never let no nigga do no shit like that with me in the car. I look crazy. That'll work for me.